Wire transfers are more expensive just by the nature of the transactions. So typically there are higher fee structures in place both on the consumer and business side. So it really depends on the use case, and your customers and members really drive use cases. So if I come in and I'm a consumer and I need to send funds overseas because my child is attending school in Great Britain and I have to wire the funds over there in order to cover their tuition costs. That's a use case where a very common one where consumers would likely use a wire transfer, even though it's more expensive because they want the payment guarantee. They want to know it's going to actually make it there. And they want to make sure that the high dollar funds have been secured a little bit. So I'm not probably going to do like an ACH transaction for that. Definitely probably not going to do a check. With your businesses, they tend to use those for the high value transactions as well. So if they have invoice payments that they owe to vendors, they're likely going to use probably wire transfers unless they're going to set up like on an automatic ACH debit.